Yo, yo, yo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, what up? What up? What up? I got it on HA. I already got it going live. I just ain't got that going yet. So just letting you know it's already going live. So we just gonna have to do the introduction whenever you're out there. Whenever you're ready and shit. What's up, Dirk? I see you, my boy.
What's going on, brother?
Coolin', coolin'. You can get the screen tell you when you ready.
What I'm supposed to be doing, brother?
Just sit back and watch that. You know what I'm saying? He finna show you some. Well, you already seen how we did support and resistance and shit last night.
Right.
We just finna call some live trades, so you know what I'm saying. The people that got down watching our YouTube channel, they can got down catch the trades with us and shit. It should be some more people on their call in a minute. They got down catch the trades with us too.
All right. I'm just gonna sit back and observe.
For sure. I gotta make brother host. All right, I made you the host. It is right. I had seen it. I seen that message you sent last night, though. What shit, man? I hadn't got down since I was already in the trade and shit. You know what I'm saying? All I was waiting on was the market to go back in my direction. I seen it going back in my direction. Shit, but I had called it tonight. You know what I'm saying? But shit. You hear them moaning though, my boy, so you know what I'm saying? Everything good. Everything good. Oh yeah, let me go send that link over here now. Damn. Put this shit over here right quick. Oh, fuck. Okay, that was done.
Yo,
Yo, what's up, bro?
can you hear me?
Yeah. But you was already talking?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I ain't got nothing.
Dang.
Yeah, man, we got my boy Dirt on here this morning so far.
That's good, man. That's good. I had caught some Ethereum. Ethereum had a damn double bottom on the damn 5-hour time frame. I'm trying to catch that.
Yeah, Bitcoin back on the rise too so far. It's at like 39.5 last time I looked at it. But you know, we still got to break that 40K in order for it to keep going. I mean, that 40 and 42K in order for it to keep going. Oh yeah, we lied over. Still didn't do the introduction yet.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Forex Trap in the motherfucking building.
It's your boy Bonk the Fear, aka Snipe the Fear, Snipe.
And this is goddamn Break Decode FX live trading.
Yes, sir. We are here Thursday, June 17th. It's 10 a.m. We're here to 9 or a little bit earlier, but y'all got them. Get on these charts, man. Pull up your screens. Leave us some comments in the sections. Yeah. Let's make this money this morning, people. Let's go. I already sent a link over there to the other two sets. Put up the YouTube on my laptop so I can watch it. Make sure we don't get no comments. Let me see if we get some comments and shit. But hey, Dirt, you see how, remember when I was telling you we wait for a red candle or a blue candle to enter? You know what I'm saying? Like, you see how that shit right there? Yeah. Came down, stopped right there. See, it shows you the price wasn't trying to go down that way. So shit, that's just stuff, that's a zone. You know what I'm saying? You got down, put that shit on that zone, wait to see what price going at that zone, since it's already broke that zone or respected that zone. You're waiting for it to give you a retest or to keep pushing up. Right now, it look like a retest. Yep. Well, it's already retested twice. You got a double bottom on right there. Triple bottom. Hey man, let me see. What is it? A 5 minute?
Yeah.
I don't think I remember Bitcoin making this type of move. Yeah, it is. It just made it in a wider range.
Damn, buy UK 100.
Man, I'm sitting up here talking my ass off on mute, bro.
Damn. I just bought
I'm
UK
thinking,
100.
I know it. I heard you. I'm asking you, was that the signal? I said, was that the signal? Because I don't think they heard you. I'm sitting up here talking. You ain't hear me.
Damn.
I mean, you ain't hear Dirt. I mean, Dirt didn't hear me neither. Hey, Dirt, man. I sent you a picture, bro. That was the trade we took last night when we was on Zoom, bro. I bet that man like, what the hell they supposed to be? Damn, man. Tricky. Know what I know what I need. I know exactly what I need.
Yes.
Exactly what I
Yes,
need.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Yes.
It's time, man. Gas. Hey, check out that GU, boy. The GU got some sales in it, my boy. I just missed the intro though. Oh yeah, that UK got definitely the bag. I think I'm gonna rock with that for about a good week or two, bro. That UK 100. Said nothing but UK 100. That shit pays so damn good. The move slow too. Shit. Hold on, bro. I'll be out there and get my laptop. Yo, I'm back. That came in the guy.
what now?
So anybody else came in?
Oh no.
Hold on, man. What the fuck?
Good morning, good morning.
Hey, you saw I had messaged you last night when that AUD news dropped.
News, yeah.
They good last night.
Look at her.
What's up, Miranda?
Had a boss. GA had me looking good yesterday between the that FOMAC news around like 2:30 between 2
Oh yeah,
2:30 and
I was up when that shit dropped. I was like, shit, I bet Miranda caught that shit. Yeah.
like I think every pair moved during
Yeah.
that press conference.
Mm-hmm. That NZD knew had dropped too. I don't
Every
really
pair
watch
was
shit.
moving
But,
this afternoon.
what you talking about? The FOMC press conference?
Mhm.
Oh yeah, that shit that has some real effect on the market, man. I got damn gold dropping like here, man. That shit didn't break that channel. It didn't break back through that channel. On the date time frame. The gold might be goddamn, you feel me? So go to the daily, bro. You can see it better. Well, you already got the channel up there. I think I told you draw it up there yesterday. But yeah, that shit didn't never come back up there. We needed it to stay on that channel up there. So now gold is in a critical position to basically go down to it could straddle along right there where it's at, up on that 66. What is it, 88? Yeah, it could straddle along up under 88 and get back above 88 and keep it going, you know what I'm saying, on a new channel to the uptrend, to the upside. Or that bitch could come on down some more, like to the top of this consolidation zone right here. Where is it? Shit, when it get there, we got to see what it's gonna do. Cause, like I said, the FOMC had an effect on the fact that it came out of that channel, that didn't get back in that channel. If that matters, you know what I'm saying. So we got a possibility of the motherfucker going back to 70, going back to the 79. I just hope that motherfucker don't, bro, because it took 2 years to get where we at right now, man. So good, so good. And money is in the market either way it goes. Either way it goes. Yeah, that bitch selling like crazy, man.
Yeah. You broke that down low too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, gold in a critical position right now, man. So I think I'm gonna start. Well, I don't know if they got it on T4, but that palladium, I think I'm gonna start trading palladium. Yeah. Palladium started to get a lot of value. You know, that's the you know, you got silver, you got gold, you got platinum, you got palladium. You know what I'm saying? Palladium starting to gain a lot of value. As far as the dollar goes, but I don't know as far as how it moves in the forex market. I don't know because I ain't never tried to trade until you look. I know it's on T5. I don't know if it's on T4. Goddamn, do this right here, just like this right here, man. Oh, okay, straight. I'm gonna say shit. Dirt, you unmuted too, bro. If you goddamn needed some answer
Say
anything.
that again, bro.
I was saying you unmuted too, so if you had to goddamn ask a question or something, just goddamn to ask the question.
All right. Yeah, I'm just observing.
For sure. But then one thing about Forex, man, shit can get boring, bro. It can get boring because you're sitting there waiting on your plate, you know what I'm saying? You're waiting on your entry and shit.
Right.
So what you can do if you want though, you know what I'm saying? Shit. You play music in the back, you know what I mean? If you want goddamn, I think Taylor ought to play some shit anyway. He always plays something.
Yeah. I'm just closing out partials right now, my boy.
UK 100, but
Yes, sir. Paying myself.
for sure.
Paying myself at 20 pills. Putting the other shit at break even. 71.4730. 71.4730. Everything at break even. And then letting that bitch ride. Man.
You got a TP? You got a TP or you just floating?
I'm floating.
So I was gonna say, bro, you wanna see what's going on up there. I ain't no thing. I don't need no TP, man. You wanna see what's a big ass wick over there. Well, that shit gotta get filled up right there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, here we go.
Sir.
I was looking at that shit this morning too. The UK 100.
Got that fun and talent. Jump in.
Man, these folks quit playing games with me, bro.
Oh, come on, man.
But they ain't even hit me back yet. They supposed to be sending me a custom invoice.
Sheesh.
Yeah, see this shit. They supposed to be sending me an invoice, bro.
And they tripping.
Oh, here you go. Man, these niggas sent this shit at 3 in the goddamn morning. It don't even matter. Let go. My name is Kel. I will be taking over for Vanna. I see you on your dashboard. You have 3 accounts. 150. 145 flips. Let's see. We can have one active. Duh. I'll let you email address. Your fees for 50 accounts. I know that, bitch. What you talking about? Man, fuck all right. I'm gonna send this message right quick so she can get here and just give me my information that I need. Hey, what you got? Flex aggressive, bro, or you just got flex?
Shit. What I got that one that was on the last row. That last one. The challenge.
Yeah, that's I think that's the I don't know. Shit.
I don't know. I'm using. I don't know.
I'm just gonna go back and get my flex aggressive because they ain't doing it making me pay the monthly fee. They ain't making me get a whole nother account. Okay, I gotta go get the account number. Hold on. But yeah, I'm gonna hold on. Let's see, yeah. Yeah, man, that right there. That's gonna be the motherfucker that's gonna goddamn do this, that capital that we need. Before we're talking about doing the FTMO challenge.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump back on that shit again too.
Think about it.
Yep.
What's the difference between the FT challenge and the FTMO challenge?
The who?
They were saying FT challenge, and then you got. Oh, okay, I got it. Never mind. It's the Funny Talent Challenge. I guess the Funny Talent Challenge, the one we got, you know what I'm saying, the ones that we got right now.
Mm.
And then you got the funded, the FTMO, whatever that shit stands for. I ain't never did, man. One of them motherfuckers, challenges.
Yeah, I did FTMO already.
Yeah.
But I ain't know nothing better with Bitcoin. Bitcoin went for 4,000 pills. I ain't even close the motherfucker out.
Nah, man.
400, whatever it was. I lost 4 bands on that motherfucker.
God damn, bro.
Yeah, man. Over leveraged like a motherfucker.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See, all that shit matter. You didn't think all that shit matter, then. That's all that was.
Yes, sir, Steve.
All that shit matter. Man, goddamn, man. I ain't have to go through this shit.
Hey man, this shit look hard as hell, but I'm gonna try to get it, my guy.
Yeah, it just look hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? This shit just look hard. It ain't hard at all, man. Especially if you own it every single day and you research it. You know what I'm saying? Right. You could take 1 hour out the day to research, to practice, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
1 hour out of every day just to research, practice, and when you do, you take notes. You know what I'm saying? When you come back the next day to do it again, you refer back to your notes, just so you won't forget what you was looking at and what you was looking for.
Right.
Once you do that shit for like 2 weeks straight, or probably not even 2 weeks straight, bro. Like you do that shit for the first 2 days because see what's going on, why it look hard. Because you just looking right now. You ain't got your account set up. And we ain't had you mark up no charts and then yet. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So once you got mark up a chart, bro, you're gonna be like, oh, okay. I thought it was harder than this shit, man. This shit easy as fuck. This shit easy, real talk.
I know I can get it, man. You know, it just, you know, when I just get hands on, I know I can better get it. But just observing, I can shit kind of look hard.
Shit, you know I got you, bro.
It just take reps. It really
Say that
is.
again?
It really just take reps.
Okay.
You put in enough reps, you'll get it eventually. You see, literally, I remember seeing some of my friends saying, man, they did the same stuff last week. And I was like, I don't see it. All right, you be consistent a couple weeks and you'll be like, you know what? I remember that like 2 weeks ago.
Right.
Yeah.
Same stuff, different day.
That's it. Different day. Man, what the man? I cannot. I'm tripping trying to find this shit. I cannot find it. Oh, here you go.
I think that was one of my biggest mistakes. Besides, of course, like over trading. That was one of my biggest flaws. Not being consistent.
Yeah.
You can't just do this once a week and then think you're gonna jump back in next week.
Right.
Start banging.
Gotta be.
No, it don't work like that. Yeah, but it's just like walking. When you were crawling, you got down trying to walk. You did that shit every day till you got that shit.
I do it every day. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make it, you know, a habit.
Yeah, trust. This shit gonna become a lifestyle. You saying a hobby? Why this shit? When you get into
This
it,
shit gonna become a lifestyle.
this shit
Okay.
gonna become a lifestyle. Bro. Why this shit? Tell you, man. Once you get into this shit, bro, and you see that you know what you're doing and you actually make money off this motherfucker, man, you can be like, man, I see what Bunk talking about. This shit a lifestyle. This shit way more than a hobby. A hobby don't pay you the way this shit pay you, bro.
Bruh, My motivation was last night when you told me, bro, we working that goddamn the distribution center.
Yeah, man. I told you, bro.
Oh
That's
man, that was
all
my
I needed to
motivation
hear.
there.
That's all I needed to hear. The niggas is trying their best to get at the distribution center. That man walked off
Come
that.
on, exactly. And I
Nigga,
look, I had
hey,
got the job at the distribution center, and they goddamn told me I couldn't work because my felony was goddamn, you know.
see what I'm saying? Minimum opportunity for your page, just because of your past life, bro. So
Yeah.
shit, bro. We got to create opportunities for ourselves.
Exactly.
Motherfucker, that shit crazy, bro. Like, I be hating that shit. How the hell you gonna hold my past? I ain't that nigga no more, man.
And then look, bro, that shit was damn near goddamn 15 years old when the goddamn, you know.
What I'm
Bro,
saying,
you got your
man,
fib?
that's
You got your fib up? Let me
Who?
see your fib levels.
Who you talking to?
Modifying your fib?
Oh, I ain't on the screen. I ain't sharing my screen.
Oh, who that is? Tay?
Yeah, so I don't be sharing my screen. My internet be moving too slow. I went to get a hotspot yesterday, but they ain't had none. Try again today. Let me send this shit, man. Tell them flex mode. That ain't it. It gotta be.
And what's the YouTube channel y'all be on, bro?
It's called Break the Code FX.
Okay.
I'll send you the link to it.
All right.
Yeah, so go ahead and subscribe to that guy, man.
God almighty.
You feel me?
Sheesh.
Hey, man, say, man. How the hell do I? Oh, here you go.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, I'm finna send that shit to you now, dude.
All right, bro.
Like Juicy J said, shut it down.
It's my Juicy J, man.
Like Juicy J.
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga with that Juicy J.
I just sent it to you, though. Well, it ain't came through yet, but I just sent it to you. Well, it came through.
I just got it.
Oh, I gotta say this shit, man. Stop my hair.
Man, I still ain't got damn twisted, man. Let me get myself together, man. I'm tripping. Oh, that's what I'm supposed to be doing on the computer, man. I'm sitting up here looking at your screen, my screen, and the phone all on at the same goddamn screen. Stupid. Here we go.
I'm looking at my GA buy. It's still holding strong. I'm gonna keep riding that.
On there. Oh. What that is? Hey, bro, get that shit up out of there. Yeah, man. Get that thing up out of there, man.
Get a thing right there, baby. You go. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful morning, beautiful day. The birds are chirping. Jesus taught me that.
What happened?
The old lady across the street still bitching. 3 in the morning, take your old ass to sleep. 3rd time she didn't got a
Not 3 in the morning.
Take your old ass to sleep.
Let's go, man.
Where the gyms at? It is quiet.
Have at it.
Oh, this shit, man.
Where you at, Tay, with the gyms?
Have at it.
Oh, they
Ain't
don't
no
know
gym.
nobody get no stops on YouTube. Like, shit, they better come to the goddamn. They better come to goddamn.
Got no
already.
gyms.
They could catch a trade. That's all we got for them on YouTube. Trade.
Yes, ain't no gyms right now.
They don't get no gym. Whap, 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 whap. Talking in the building.
Good morning.
Hey.
What's up, Chelsea?
Good morning.
Cool. Good morning, whoever that is watching that on YouTube. Yes, sir. Well, that shit look like my screen, boy.
Yes, Sasky.
That shit look just like my shit.
Had to do it,
Hey
man.
man, you can see much clearer. You feel me?
Had to do it.
Right there for you.
Had to do it. I was like, well, look here. I like your screen look better.
Thing got a nice little double bottom right there.
Yes, sir.
Gotta get back above that damn previous day. Goddamn make that page. Shit, killing man.
I don't think gonna but I think gonna come down and feel the wake up right here.
Yeah.
Or at least this one. Break that. Going here.
Makes sense.
Break that. Going here.
I can see it bouncing up off of that guy right there.
Verizon launched.
Yeah, most definitely. I can see that shit happening. Finna get right with you, my boy. I hear you.
Okay.
I hear you.
You know, they got that early morning, every morning. That breakfast though.
Telling you, man. Know how that go.
Breakfast make me
Gotta
eat
get
breakfast.
right. And they said breakfast made me eat bread. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Goddamn. Oh. So, hey, Chelsea, I know you caught some of that GU, man. That thing so like crazy.
I didn't catch it. What are you talking about? Yesterday when it dropped?
Yeah, last night it dropped some more.
I didn't catch it. Let me see.
But shit, if you caught it yesterday, you caught some plays off of it. That's all that matters. You ain't got to catch every play.
Man, that jump dropped like 100-something pips in like 3 minutes.
You caught it?
Yes, I was watching it.
For sure.
Man.
For sure. Now think about it, the fact if you wasn't watching your
No, I know that ain't Bump because he talking. So I don't know who this freak is. Sound like Clay over there choking.
No.
Nah, that's my boy, man.
Real gasoline.
Hey,
Look on the line.
About that goddamn choking, boy.
What's that, bro?
She stay getting on them about that choking, boy.
Hey, I can't help it. We good like that.
I'm telling you, boy, when
Choking, oh my God. They think we killing people over here in Forex. Damn. This is not the charts, y'all. This is not Forex doing that.
Yeah, that shit had dropped those chests, man. I started getting in it, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna leave that alone. But that would happen when you just study your paddle, you know what I'm saying? You study in your paddle, you weren't watching nothing else but your paddle. You caught that bread off of it. You would have been trying to watch anything else, you would have missed that. You would have missed that entry. Then you would have came back like, dang, man.
Right.
I missed my play.
it did the same thing to move. I called up here, but it just did it down here. You know what I'm saying? So you know, if it didn't do it up here, you got to do it down here. Came down, came up, came up, down, up. You know what I'm saying? Down, up, down. It's the same shit.
Okay.
Facts.
I wanted to buy, but it didn't do it. So you know what I'm saying? So you gotta wait it out. Boom. So retest, you could have got in right here. If you miss it up here, just wait on the retest.
Mm-hmm. That junk was
My TV
pretty.
ain't too loud anymore.
Nah.
I think that happened at what 3:00 yesterday. Man, I said, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I
It
think
dropped so
everything moved around about
fast.
2:30. Everything was moving yesterday afternoon.
Tell somebody in the morning or yesterday afternoon.
2 in the afternoon.
Yesterday afternoon, everything was jumping.
Yeah.
Cause yesterday morning we was like, damn, this thing slow. No, it picked up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cause I told you I had to wait for that FOMC news to drop. I had to wait for that press conference.
Everybody in that
Mhm.
I don't say
G7
I
meeting.
had to wait for that press conference.
All the heavy hitters, all the power countries are at that meeting. So that's why it's going to affect everything. Anytime one of them have a press conference.
See, they about the damn 5-hour time frame, but it be hitting.
You feel me?
They
The motherfucker
long
show you the
ass
structure you
goddamn
need to see.
bears. 2 weak ass goddamn bullet candles. You know it ain't trying to go up there. I would have honestly hopped in off this candle right here when I seen this long ass bearish, and then
When they got back on,
closed,
got pulled back.
yeah, when this bitch closed, weak ass bullish like that, man, it sells.
That's the same setup we had when we caught the UK 100. Was that UK 100? Last night when we were showing dope. When we were showing dope that shit.
No, that was US 30.
Oh yeah, US 30. That was the same setup, bro. That motherfucker had just pulled back. I was like, shit, I'm finna go and pop this trade, you know what I'm saying? Shit, that bitch ready. Jumped in that bitch, jumped straight in the punch.
Yeah, damn sure did.
Live last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, came down, came
The
up,
same setup.
came down.
I know my life. Shit, I've been grinding all my life. Man.
Yo, I like that. That's ugly.
Yep.
Honestly, what kind of structure this
Damn,
is
I could
down
have
here.
caught.
Huh?
So who's screen on YouTube?
The TPN would have gave her like,
I did my shit.
I think what, 300 points? Not 300 points.
Damn,
We got outlets. Nah, for you had 30 last night.
No, I'm to my goal right now.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
Oh yeah.
Missed that motherfucker.
Damn, man. Missed that
Damn,
motherfucker.
gold.
Yeah, man.
Missed that motherfucker.
Yeah. Little ass
I told you,
pullback.
gold critical as fuck now
That
because it didn't never get
retest.
back in that
Could
channel.
have got back in there.
Gotta wait for the next. Wait for the next pullback.
That wick in the middle. Bro, what y'all talking about? That wick in the middle?
Oh, that little blue candle in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pullback. So you got to wait for another one of those before you end that market.
All right.
If you see it happen, you still got to wait because you got to see if it's going to turn into a reversal or is it an actual pullback? Because if it's a reversal, it's going to pull back and then push the market back to the top side. If it's a pullback, it's gonna do what it did right there. Give you a small little blue candle, then push back down with some more reds and shit. So that what we're waiting on again since we missed that entry.
All right.
Hey, Chelsea.
Yeah.
This account was at $100 by like 2 weeks ago.
I just closed my GA buy. Let me look at gold.
So
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, we started all out.
when you got in for a GA buy?
$100. I would say $100 is so critical because that shit makes you a beast.
Yeah.
Sales on gold looking good. If y'all whoever caught gold this morning, because we didn't call this trade, but if y'all caught gold, man, big shout out, man. Big salute. That's a nice setup, man. That shit we got there showing you sales all day long.
So it's possible, shoot.
You know I got to see my
Yeah.
baby in a minute.
Oh, I told you. Stay
You pulled
grinding.
up, boo.
Stay grinding. Stay grinding.
Last 100.
Treat that $100 like it's just your last $100.
Told you, Chess.
Treat that shit
Every
like
day,
it's
do
your
it every
last
day. The more, the
$100.
easier it's gonna get to you. And believing in yourself every day.
Well, I'm trying to be a wolf.
That gold is selling. We called that earlier in the week.
Yeah, we did. For sure.
You say,
I
Dirk?
said that was Tuesday. I called that. I was like, it was gonna pull back a little bit and then keep dropping.
But see, the confirmation came when it broke out of that the daily price channel. Once it broke out of that daily price channel and never went back in it, that was big boy confirmation of sales.
I'm gonna miss gold, so I ain't even gonna try that.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, no, don't mess with that yet.
Go through.
Don't even mess with that for a couple hours. Let that chill.
Don't mess with that yet.
Too late.
Yeah, let that shit do what they gonna do, get another setup, and then do some shit. Right
Get
now,
something else.
touch it you want to.
Blow your count.
Touch that motherfucker you want to.
Go back to sleep. I'm back at lunchtime.
Hey, you got to pull up my boo, man. Where boo at? Pull up boo, man.
Just double tap on XRP. What that?
Shit, boo.
Oh.
Yeah, man, boo. Yes, search key.
Who you boo? This shit.
Shit, boo, nigga. Ain't number one boo over this.
You feel me? Who your boo? Boo, nigga, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, man. That big out there, put it back in 39. We still at 39, so that's a good thing. It'd be better we get back to goddamn 40 and keep pushing toward 42 though. But long as this shit get like 39,800, 39,900, we definitely going to 41. Because it'll fought 39,900 for a long time and then it finally fell. So if we get back to 39,900, it ain't gonna fight too much more in that area. You're gonna push on through.
Mm-hmm.
Adios. You get a guy, they gonna hate.
Hey, whoever playing that Mill, you got to get that party here with that there.
Oh.
You on YouTube
Hello.
live. Run it up. Trying to get us copyrighted. You trying to get us copyrighted.
Oh yeah, we gotta play underground music on that guy. You gotta play underground music. You folks signed, they ain't gonna let the video play out.
No, sir.
Got a violation.
You're playing music that you don't have rights to. Like, huh? When?
Check my email, see if they got me right, man. Ain't gonna send me that damn invoice. Come on, read it. I'm ready. Say I'm ready like that, but I am. Order number 208-856. Number 208-856.
But this week really been goddamn ugly for real. I ain't gonna no cap. At least to me.
Yeah, man, I don't know what the fuck been going on this week, man.
At least to me.
208-856. And the talent need to get it together, man. How y'all got me talking to one representative, and all of a sudden that representative stopped emailing me, and another representative started emailing me tomorrow I'm taking over. Hey, fuck that motherfucker didn't know what the hell we doing. I asked one simple question. See, he's simple-minded as hell. If he can't answer a simple question, he got to get somebody else to take over. I need to fire his ass. Shit.
Catching sales on Bitcoin.
So
Just break this low right here.
check my trade. I ain't even check my trade.
Probably should have been into that motherfucker, man. Shit, there you go.
See what kind of news we got. Hey, we got some jobless claims news on the USD coming in the hour and 30 minutes. So that's gonna be some news that's gonna move the market.
Look at this shit.
So that'll be like 8K. Tomorrow, JPY got all that news. Got a whole lot of news this week, man. This shit crazy. Check about next week. Got a whole lot of high impact news next week. Oh yeah, man. Gonna be some good play next week, one boy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. They got some USD news for the Fed Chair Powell testifying. It's on Tuesday.
That's a jam, dude. Shout out Forex.
What is that, FinViz? Okay, yeah. Did you see what Nas about to do, my boy? Nas got a follow it on it. Yeah, right. Nas out there on S&P 500, damn near the same. Only difference is the star counter on Nas is goddamn green, and the shooting star on SBS is red.
Right, yeah.
Oh, and that little that shit too. Little hammer. That hammer, the shooting star. But the rest of the formation is the exact same. That shit crazy.
All the shit.
not the smaller candles, but the bigger candles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all that shit, all them bigger candles, all that formation is the exact same. Know what that mean then? Hey, don't let that thing trick you now.
Huh?
So don't let that thing trick you. Bitcoin been doing a lot of stock man. What's up, YouTube viewers? If anybody got any questions, y'all can leave questions in the comment section. We got the comments on live. So if anybody say anything or need to say anything, just leave it in the comment section. We'll be there. Something like that. Right there.
You know.
Spot Joe got on it. So easy.
Somebody playing that old stuff now. Make all my haters go away.
Orlando.
That's my shit.
Oh, so she mess with Orlando. They talking about they only want underground.
Oh, that's what the person that sang the song from?
Yeah, he's from Orlando.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
He ain't
We
mainstream.
used to sing this song like it was our anthem, baby.
I ain't never heard of it.
Try to see what GU gonna do. Like it's trying to push up. But it opened bullish, so I don't know.
What time frame you looking at, Chelsea?
An hour.
Yeah, I see what you're doing. Let me check. Hold on, let's see something. Yeah, so you got them goddamn little blue counters over there, them two to the left. They weak, but at the same time, you got the power ended up on top when they closed. You know what I'm saying? So I wouldn't touch that right now, but what I would do is put me a zone up under that. Hold on, I'm looking at the guy.
Oh yeah, trust me, I got it marked up to perfection. Like,
oh, for sure. I already know that. I already know that.
My zones are perfect. Like, wow, this is great.
She's
It bounced right off
my
my line that I had, like that retest. It
yeah.
bounced right off of it and came back down to that zone where it's pulling back up at. Like, it's amazing. That's how I catch my moves.
What in the fuck going on with my field, man? Oh, okay. What in the hell this shit happen? Oh, man, my colors all fucked up on my shit.
Cause I know if it failed to close above that one, it's gonna probably go down to the next zone. Cause these are reversal areas I got marked up. So it's perfect. Probably some stuff I could still do to it though. And this is a reversal area, like where it usually turns around at. So that's why I said no.
True that. True that.
You got the 50 EMA too. I mean, not 50 EMA. the 50 on the field. But it didn't close above the 50, it broke. It closed below that shit though. So.
Damn. Feel like that right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, I definitely see what you're talking about though, Tess. This bitch played out so nice.
Yes. Like if you just look at like my zones and stuff, like everywhere is where it reversed at. Like you can see. So it played out so pretty. Ugh, I'm just proud of myself.
So whose screen on YouTube that I'm looking at?
That tape, that's the same one you're looking at on Zoom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, on YouTube, we don't really use it too much, let nobody share their screens and shit. Because trying to keep this shit organized. But when we just on regular Zoom calls, you know what I'm saying, we get people to share their screen, show us what they're talking about and stuff like that.
All right.
Unless we got a featured trader on YouTube, which we ain't had yet because we just started and we still trying to get there. Make sure everything right, you know what I'm saying, as far as our whole system goes, as far as our tools that we trade with, you know what I'm saying, we're trying to make sure everything right first. Even though we already started going on YouTube, we already good enough to concentrate and we make plays where people can make money off of. So that's why we went on here and started going live. But as far as all this other shit that we're working on on the back end, we're still working on some other shit, you know what I'm saying?
All right.
Erica, he had some
Hey, pull up
business to
that
take
Dixie,
care
bro.
of. She need to come on back.
Say, look at the Dixie, bro. Rose up. Rose up.
It was consolidating for so long.
So you on 15 minutes, go to the what I want to find out. Yeah, man. The dollar got some strength in it from the FOMC shit. All right, let me see what EG doing about.
Y'all cut these sales on Bitcoin? Damn.
Oh, where my damn. Nah, I was trying to do that damn. I would write my email when I missed the entry.
It's doing the same thing it did before. Creating higher highs, dropping, creating higher highs, and creating higher lows. It's doing the same shit it was doing when it was like at 50 something K.
You can take that back to that green. Well, that green is 38.5. Take that bit to 38.5.
You caught it, Tay and Bump?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I was writing the email when that shit. I'm finna got damn kiss interest. Find me an entry on that 15 minute. Or if the 15 minute looking good, I might get in.
tight.
She say 39572. 27. 39572. Super tight, goddamn it.
Don't play.
Oh nah, I ain't gonna catch the still. My buy position still holding like a motherfucker. So no thirsty. I don't want no short term nothing. I'm good. They goddamn my buy positions are looking great over here. So I'm gonna hold these guys. I ain't touching no stills.
For sure, bro. For sure.
I'm waiting on XLM XRP to get right. XRP, man, they got that. They need to go and do what they gonna do with their lawsuit. All right, for sure. They need to go and do what they gonna do with their lawsuit with Ripple, man. Shit, I'm holding XRP in my goddamn crypto portfolio too. Come on with it. EG ranging. Dollar selling, dollar buying EG ranging. Sales. More sales on GU chips. They coming.
Let's see. Oh yeah. I said it had opened up bullish. Mm-hmm. Push down. But I'm gonna wait for it to break this net line right here. I got.
Yeah, it's the same thing as my well, I know you know what I'm talking about, man. If it was up there, if you got it up there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when it break that guy though, it definitely go green light go.
Down to the net zone.
Mm-hmm.
My word.
Don't die.
Breathe, nigga.
My word.
Yeah, no.
You got a rookie.
Gotta die in this bitch. I ain't trying to die with you.
I want to hit that
But
shit.
you got to make me back. Hey, bro, you got me throw like, what the hell going on with your screen, man? You got the MACD at the bottom with the break the code at the bottom. How the hell break the code get down there? Say must step away. Yeah, man. Big sales on GU. See what else going on. But right now, I'm finna send you that shit I was talking about on Go. I'm finna send it to the chat. I broke out of that price channel and never came back to it.
Okay. I'm not in anything right now, so got time to review.
But yeah, we had a price channel going on the uptrend, you know what I'm saying? Very strong. This on this on a daily time frame. You see it was on a strong uptrend for some months. Fell through. And it fell through and never went back. Shit, that was it. That was
that trend line look like GU, what we looking at on the screen too.
Exactly.
Break the trend line.
Same shit. That was the same shit. That's what I was looking at. That's what I was looking at when I just said shit sales on GU. Like I was looking at that same thing. I was like, shit, the motherfucker just did the same shit. Shit. UK 100 look like it about to do the same thing. Still, UK 100 still in the respective zone I got up here.
GU it's still in the uptrend, like we said. I feel like it's going to either reverse from this zone or the next one. So I'm just waiting it out.
See, I'm gonna check GU on the 1 hour time frame. And see, that's a critical point with GU too, because GU just broke out of an ascending triangle on the 1 hour time frame. I mean, on the 1 day, on the daily time frame, and it's pushing back down to the liquidity level. If it push past that liquidity level, it's gonna keep selling.
Mm-hmm.
And the liquidity level is at like 130, between 138 and where the price is at right now. So if it break past 138,
oh, it's gonna keep going down. It's gonna go down to at least. Let's see, because I got it now. It's at 39,473. So if it breaks below 39,112, it's gonna keep going all the way down to 38,500. And then it may reverse right there, or it may go down to 3,800 and then reverse.
Yeah, I can see that. I see that. Yeah, especially that 39,112. Yeah.
Well, it could push all the way down now, all the way down to this other area.
The low is at that it need to break to keep selling. It's at 138,836. I don't know if you're looking in that consolidation zone, but you see that red wick. You put a line up under that red wick over there. Oh shit, I'm looking on the daily. My bad.
Mm-hmm.
1 hour. Right?
I look on the hour.
Check this shit. You said 138, 112. I mean 139, 112.
If it breaks below that, it's gonna keep selling. Cause I'm waiting for it to see what it's gonna do outside of this zone. And then it's gonna go all the way down to like around the area of 138,500. Now, if it reverses there, it's gonna go up. But if not, it can continue down to a little bit like
I think it'll reverse.
138.68.
I think it'll reverse at that. If it keeps selling, I definitely fuck with that 138,500 for the reversal.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good ass setup right there, man.
Yep. Just waiting to see what it's gonna do. That's how I caught the well, that's how I probably would have caught the move last night if I would have saw it. Like,
missed it. I kept missing the entry. The second time I missed the entry, I said, man, I'm gonna go to bed, man. Fuck this.
as soon as it would have broke 1.40105 and retested that motherfucker. Yep. Entry. Quick, easy 70 points.
Game time.
Mm-hmm. This is my baby right here. I don't trade nothing else for real.
Oh, just stick with that right there. Whatever make you money in the market, that's what you stick with.
Yeah.
You go to messing with nothing else that's gonna make you lose money.
It's really all about the skill. Like if you learn the skill, you can trade anything for real. But why to trade all them different pairs when you can focus on one?
I don't understand why people want to trade every single pair on the damn chart. Or like 10 or more pairs. I don't need all them. Why would I need to trade 10 or more pairs when I can goddamn develop a fast trading system and a trading plan and go get the most volatile pair?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Yeah. If I could trade gold and make bread, trade big cryptocurrency and make bread, and trade J30 UK 100 and US 30 and 9s and SPX and make bread, I really don't need to test none of them other little pairs. You know what I'm saying? The regular currency pairs.
Mm-hmm.
That's my fault because I'm about
You
to
start.
Like GU gonna be the only. GU really is the only. GU the only currency pair that I trade. I trade GU. I trade goddamn Bitcoin, XRP, ETH. What else on my watch list? I got goddamn US 30, UK 100, J 30, and gold. GU the only currency pair I trade.
It's fine, shit. But yeah,
that motherfucker. Man, I love that motherfucker, man.
and you
That
trade the
GU moves
pairs
so
that
clean.
pay though. That's what that is. You trade the pairs that pay.
Yeah. Like why would I waste my time? I ain't gonna say why would I waste my time on the other ones, but I want to develop the skill that's gonna get on these motherfuckers that's gonna pay me every time I touch these charts. So you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to build something up right here. I ain't just focused on money and shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to build something that I'm being quiet about. So that's why I'm focused on shit like that.
Today Thursday, ain't it? Damn.
Yeah. Yeah. Might be the last day for trading for me since I'm still holding goddamn shit from all week. Everything's still in profit. I might get me somebody got there UK 100. I don't know yet. I don't want to risk that on this account. Shit, it ain't no big account.
So we one y'all on now.
That's GU right there on the screen.
Talking about that GP.
GBP USD.
Okay.
Right there on the screen, it say British pounds. They just ain't got great in there. You know what I'm saying? But it's great British pound.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's GU shit. Well, GU, GBP, USD. Either one, how you want to say it. Say you back yet, bro? Nah, he ain't back yet. I should have known that anyway. Ask him don't question. He met shit. Goddamn screen ain't moving. But yeah, side. I was just gonna say, if you look to the side of it on that watch list, you can see the pairs that Tay trade. You know what I'm saying? Then that's the only thing he trade over there.
My bad, y'all. Run off.
Nah, you good, bro. Feel me, boy, you good. And you're gonna create yourself for watching this too, though. We're gonna give you a couple of pairs that you wanna goddamn start out fucking with, like GJ and GU and EU. We're gonna give you some shit that's gonna goddamn get you straight, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, man, just good shit. I see you goddamn. You off to the right start. Just keep doing what you're doing, bro. Fuck with it.
All right.
Paid myself twice today, you guys.
UK 100.
In Bitcoin.
Oh, okay.
Done for the week.
Did you just say you done for the week?
Yes, sir, Ski.
Come on, man. Must be fucking nice.
It is.
That's right. Hey, I love it, my nigga. Boy, I promise you motivation. Come on, man.
Shit, I ain't like, nah, it's like, nah, it is good.
Hey, I love it, bro. I love it.
This shit ain't alright. This shit is good.
This is it, bro. I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, they ain't doing them to
You
motivate
you
me,
done
man.
for the week.
I promise you. Keep telling me the good shit. Keep telling it to me.
Yeah.
Real.
Shit, that 20 pips on Bitcoin right there. Shit, that's all I need.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. Bread,
20 to 30 pips and dip.
Goody. You know what I'm saying? It's good.
Yeah, that's it. That's the concept you come into this shit with, though. 20 pips and dip, man. 20 to 30 pips and dip.
Fuck on.
Shit, you just don't know how much that 20 pips pay. Now, you ain't gonna see but like $2 or something like that out there, 20 pips at first.
Yeah,
but you just keep doing that shit. They keep doing that shit. That shit gonna turn into $20. Then they're gonna be $200.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then they're gonna be 2 bands. You still coming to get 20 pips. You know what I mean?
Look at that
Right.
mother.
20 pips.
It's
Yeah.
dropping. Damn. Had to feel that wick.
Yeah.
Once you drop that, if you break that right there, man, I don't think it's gonna break it.
Nah, me neither. That's why I just got it. I'm on 15.
It still gotta feel that wick over there.
Well, right here.
No, sir. Keep going. Yes. So it may not break that one. Just push up.
What time frame is 15 minutes? Let me see what that week look like on the FP4.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Let's see, 15 minutes. Yeah, see that week on MT4 is blue. Wait, no, it ain't. Hold on. I'm looking in the wrong spot. Yeah, that bitch is blue. Yeah, man, that's a pretty strong spot it's in right there.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, turn back around, my boy. If you break past 39, 39,050, it'll keep going down. Yeah, actually 39,025. Yeah, if you break past 39,025, it'll keep going down. But that shit ain't even going down there, man. Come on, Bitcoin, get your ass back on track. Peace. Let's get this money, man. Keep me in profit the other way. Oh yeah, y'all in was pay my boy first, and then come on, goddamn.
Oh shit, Bitcoin already. Yeah, I already robbed the bank, my boy.
Okay, then well shit, I'm still in the vault. I'm still in the vault, goddamn.
Yeah, you can have it back.
I got the phone strapped to me. They better stop playing. Everybody gonna die in this bitch. About to blow this motherfucker up. I'm robbing everything, the bank and everybody in this bitch. I've been in this motherfucker, man. Hey, dressed up as security guard, bro.
I promise.
Yeah.
You know what I did? Dressed up, got up out of there.
Get up out of there. That bread, get up out of there.
And
Come
that bitch
on,
open
man.
up blue too.
The most polite robbery you ever been in. Goddamn.
Come on, man.
And good morning, everyone. I just came to take your money.
Oh, sure, sir. Long time no see.
Right.
How the hell are you?
Most polite robbery you ever seen.
Just gonna come in and get a couple $100. I got you.
Hey.
Hey,
I
You
ain't
go
it.
about that motherfucker with a couple hundred things. Guys, I'll be back tomorrow. We'll see you, sir. All right. Shit.
just remember the police be here between. As long as you come
I
after
ain't
us.
a man. Shit. All right, bet.
You
Make
come
sure I
after
don't go my head around that
hey,
motherfucker around
you
that time. You come out that time, now you good. But the boy gonna be all around this motherfucker around by goddamn such a set time.
And then GU is pushing up.
Look at chest over there. I
In?
see you. Fire.
Are you in? Are you in? Are you in?
Mm-mm. This might be that reversal though.
You're not
I'm
getting
waiting to see
in.
what this candle gonna do first, and then
Over
yeah.
these kind of right here, you didn't get in over this kind of right here.
What the pullback?
You ain't getting off this counter right here. This the counter you should. Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. It's 15 minutes. Never mind. Screw me.
Hey, scalper.
I know. I ain't to my name.
Hey,
I ain't doing that.
Scalper, no scalping.
Shit, that's 10
What
pips.
time frame you was on? What's just be trading that 1 hour though.
yeah. I'm waiting to
10
see
pips.
because it could be a retest. You know what I'm saying? So look
Oh,
fake
nah.
out.
This motherfucker finna go.
It's about to push.
Go this high. We'll see.
Let's go push.
Just come back.
That big got a
To this area.
oh yeah.
Another line in here.
It going back up there.
Yep, this big ass can right here is gonna let you know it's finna go up there.
Ooh,
When it broke
child,
that high.
things are gonna get easier.
When it broke up high right there, yeah. With that big ass candle. That
If
big ass
it
border
break,
candle right there.
I would have seen this shit right here. I would have got in.
what the pullback?
For the buy right there.
Right up this counter right here. Soon that bitch opened, I would have got in that motherfucker. So I know it had to fit.
Not me. Nigga, you supposed to been in. You supposed to been in off this blue candle, bro.
No, he probably been down,
When that
down
motherfucker
here.
was red and it went blue. You slick you really supposed to been in right there.
Yeah, but if you
That way you ain't got no
this
risk
will
of
be
nothing.
perfect entry right here.
Yeah, you ain't
If
risking
you
I
nothing.
miss
was-
all that.
I'm waiting.
For the retail traders out there, this is confirmation for buys.
What that flat bottom?
Shooting star. Flat bottom shooting star. Once you get that shooting star, then you get a big hammer behind it. 9 times out of 10, that hammer gonna fill up the wick on that shooting star and pass it. See, there go another one. Well, that ain't no shooting star, but it's the same type of shit though. And you see that shooting star over here by this barrels coming. You see that hammer didn't pass it. Over here, one more. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, it's about to
Nah,
go
yeah, right
ahead
there.
and go up.
Nope. Down. Go back over here to the right one more.
She tired of selling.
Right there. You see that shooting star right there?
Right here.
See that shooting star? Yeah, that one. That shooting star didn't get filled by that hammer next to it. That hammer didn't go up and fill it up.
Right.
Yeah, my
So that shows you
yeah. This is confirmation because even though my SARS could be using parabolic SARS, my RSI, all that shit like it want to buy up because it definitely oversold. It definitely oversold.
Breaking the 50 right here.
If it closes above this line I got,
Yeah.
it's gonna go.
Where you got the line at? Where you got the line at, Chelsea?
Well, on MetaTrader, it's on 39556, and on TraderView, I got it on 39655. Now, how the hell I do that? On TradingView, I think it's 39655, and I got it right there because of that wick that's touching it. But over here, I don't know why I got it right here. Oh, because
What you mean?
no, I don't know why the fuck it's over here. Some random line.
See, I missed it down here. Well, I got in like it had the same candle right here.
That shit definitely going up there.
UK 100.
Yeah.
Nah, I held that jump for like 20 minutes in demo one time and got paid. I said, wow.
Yeah, that thing pay now. Should have kept on practicing.
Yes, sir. You see how it's
Shit,
wicking
one
out?
time you should have kept practicing that.
See how GU wicking
That
out?
thing pay good. Oh shit, yeah.
UK 100 pays great.
But
Yeah,
y'all
That
putting
dope
the
pay
practice
better.
indices with y'all
on
next week.
Y'all talking at
Huh?
the same time. I ain't heard nothing.
Not my fault.
What that was. What y'all say?
I've been talking this whole time. What you said, Miranda?
I'm gonna jump in them indices next week.
You ain't never trading no industry?
It's rare I trade them because them bitches are hot. High liquidity. They move fast.
You got to practice them.
Exactly.
You
Thing
can't
move
just
slow,
jump on the
man.
market there.
Thing move
So
slow,
I said I'll
man.
review this weekend. I
They
might
move
jump in
slow.
Who said they move
that
fast?
NAS. I've been charting
They move
NAS.
the same way. The only way, I'm gonna tell you straight up, the only way somebody will feel like those pairs move fast is if you trade them on a lower time frame. And the only reason you trade them on a lower time frame is because you are afraid of that market. Leave that alone if you ain't been practicing it. Because it don't move fast, for real. Me and Tay, we trade them all day long and we hold, you know what I'm saying? They don't move fast. They pay fast, but they don't move fast. Like the numbers as far as your money goes, that move fast.
Yeah, that's what I've been reviewing. So I use this just review week and I'll jump in NAS next week. See some stuff coming up.
I've been thinking about back testing the SP100. I mean SPS. I ain't never traded XPX. I usually just never mind. I ain't gonna fuck that. I'm gonna stick with what I got. UK 100, 30, US 30. That's the only indices I trade. Not finna add nothing else to my watch list.
Put that NAS
Oh,
back
this is
on. Back
that
testing.
30.
30.
That 30,
Damn it.
baby.
So check this out,
And why you missed that? What's up, bro?
bro. So check this
Yeah.
out. What if I want to trade Forex and option?
You can do that.
So I
It's just
can
gonna be it'll be a different platform. Like you trade Forex on like what we got going, MetaTrader 4 app or MetaTrader 5, whichever one you choose to trade on. With options trading, you're gonna be on Thinkorswim, something like TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, or Robinhood. You know what I'm saying?
TD Ameritrade, that thing I got.
Yeah, that he got TD Ameritrade too. That's what I told him. You got a good one now. That about the best one because it's the real brokerage as far as trading. You know what I'm saying?
Right. No.
But they got a platform called Thinkorswim that come with TD Ameritrade. You can do this same type of shit that we're doing right here. You mark up the charts and all that type of shit.
Yeah, I got that.
Partner. Yeah, that's a
I got that app.
Yeah, the Thinkorswim. Yeah.
The app already. Thinkorswim. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, once you, like I said, like I showed you last night, bro, just find out.
You breaking up.
On it, you know what I'm saying? Find your support and resistance on this shit.
Okay.
And then once you do that, shit, I'll probably get you on the call today with my boy that do this shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit him up, see what he got going today, so he can give you some pointers. You can take some notes and see where they got there and get started at.
Okay. It probably gonna have to be later on. You know, I go to work at 1, get off at 7.
Like, for sure. Shit, I just got there, hit him up, see what he got going on later on tonight. Man.
Right.
While I got that 8:30.
Yeah, that'll be fine. You know, I'm trying to
Yeah, I got you.
get off early though. That's the move.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm gonna speak it into existence for long. Be like, y'all guy.
Damn right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's all you got to do. Speak it into existence and work it.
Yeah, I promise.
Keep working. You can't just speak it into existence with no work.
Yes, sir. Most definitely.
Yeah, but I already know your work ethic over. So you know you're gonna be straight. Chelsea, I don't know if you're talking or not, but your mic muted. Unless you be talking, I might be muted, so I don't know.
It's slow this morning. They done gave out all the pips yesterday. They ain't really moving. I ain't really taking nothing today.
No, I just did, but I had to
Is
do
you talking about DJ?
That's
Or you
it.
just talking about the market in general?
Market, period.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just me, because I know I done missed the gold, so I can't do nothing with gold. GA just chilling. GU chilling. Shit in consolidation right now.
Got to wait. They got the New York session.
You gotta wait for that setup. Don't force it.
Got 15 minutes or about 17 minutes.
Yes, John. Yeah, slow.
Yeah, smoke time for me, y'all.
Got New York coming, so we're gonna get some volume in the market in a minute. We'll get some volume in a minute. You gotta do nothing but look for your setup. See what your possibilities are.
Anybody want to share their screen?
GJ, I ain't traded GJ in a minute.
I'm out the game. Moran, share your screen, yo.
I want to see what I got.
I'm about to go outside. I'm about to go outside.
I can't right now. You gotta turn it off.
I got you.
Disable.
You so dominant. Demanding. That thing marked though. How bone shit used to be looking, boy.
Cause look, I thought this was gonna sell. Well, that thing kept buying. I can take
I
that
swear
one
my
off.
shit used to look just like this, man, when I started.
Yeah.
I simplified my shit all the way down there. But I can still see all that shit when I look at my chart.
I see you had that
Shit, I had more shit on it. Yeah. Oh yeah, you know Miranda, she gonna fuck with the RSI anyway. She know how to goddamn find a divergence. That's where that shit come from. Like when we want for the RSI, that's where that shit come from. Shit,
That's what that divergence at. When it wasn't clear and you see RSI one way and the chart going another way.
It's that divergence.
See, I'm about to pay profits on this GA. That's the only thing that was moving for me, this GA buy. See what I'm saying? I'm about to take profits as soon as I hit this zone. Other than that, it was moving slow.
See that divergence, you better run with that RSI. If you go to other, you run with them candles, get what on. What is GA?
Yeah,
that shit been goddamn consolidating in that big zone. You know,
I know when news dropped. Let me see. This was the press conference yesterday, G7 press conference.
Yeah.
That long Maribosa. Well, it's not Maribosa, but this was the
2 a.m, man.
Like around 2 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday.
Afternoon.
right around like 2 in the afternoon. This happened in like 5 minutes. This shit shot up.
Yeah,
I caught all that.
let me see
So
when it when I posted, I think just the pound all it had. I don't know. That shit was crazy. I said, wow.
Because before news, it was consolidating. You see what I'm saying? Before, even if you replay, without that, that's why I had that trend line there. Because it was looking like it still wanted to sell.
Yeah, I see it.
So I'm saying before that was there,
lower highs. You got lower lows and lower highs. Well, you got lower highs.
It was staying under the trend line. And then news broke and shoot.
Busted that bit, came back, retested, and kept going.
Retest. So this was AUD news last night. It was chilling right here. So it like 2 something, right? So market closed around here. So it never broke this trend line. And then overnight, Asia, it was chilling. AUD news dropped. I caught all that. That's when I text Tay. I caught all that. Wick.
Motherfucker came and retested right off the trend line. Wicked off the trend line and pushed right back up.
I entered the buy and I went to bed.
Okay, so I have a question.
Woke up to that money.
I struggle with trend lines. So
you gotta go for the week. What you struggle with? What part? Like how?
Like, I guess how it's just going through it like that.
So you have trouble lining it up the right way.
Because I can't read it like that. Like it broke it. I see it and it's below it, but like I don't know. How can you determine the way the market is going from it with it like that?
About how she got her trend lines up here.
Cause that's how I draw mine too. Sometimes, like, and I'm like, damn, this shit look wrong here.
Go ahead. I mean, I'll walk you through. What's your question?
Like, how can you determine which way the market is going off of it like that?
Off of like what? Be specific about what part you're confused about. How can I tell that it was going up right here?
Yeah, like how you could tell if it's going up or down with the trend line being the way it is.
Sure, I'll give you 3 reasons.
Okay.
So number 1, like I told you, I had this trend line because it was selling.
All right.
So bomb. You never miss a point. This ain't no high point. This is a high point. So I can look at that, but I feel like I'm ignoring this. So this was my trend line.
Okay.
And I just left that running. So now you need to play. I let the market play in between. Let me see. That's why you don't chase the market. You wait for a setup and let me see. Because either you going to come here and I'm going to take this trade for the sell, or you going to break my trend line and I'm going to take it for the buy. So I'm not chasing it. I'm waiting for it to hit a point. So now these are reference points. So you just gave me 2 points. So cool. So I watched this yesterday. Like, that's why I was saying, like, you can do some scalps. I was scalping or whatever. And I saw the whole time it kept selling. And then, of course, news is coming out. And whenever news is about to come out, it usually reverses. So whatever direction that pair is going in, it's going to keep pushing. And then news going to come and going to push it the opposite direction every time. So if I knew I saw sales, everything was saying sell. All the retailers are trading sales. I know every time news is released, go the opposite way. So, and sure enough, it bounced off my trend line. News, called all that. That was another confirmation. Well, I know higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. So it just made a huge higher high with news. I always know history repeats itself because, of course, it's reps. It's not going back. So I knew market close, it wasn't gonna let no buyers out, and it wasn't gonna let no sellers out. So I already knew when market closed, it was gonna lock everybody in this area. And then I also knew AUD news, the red folder news was released in Asia last night. So I knew it was still buying based upon this weekly candle. And so when that 2 o'clock news broke out, I think like it was still chilling right here, but when 2 o'clock broke out, it pushed it all the way up here. So I was like, I know it's fine. So then AUD.
My bad. When you get done with that, one of our viewers on YouTube asked, can you check AUD USD?
Check AUD what?
AUD USD.
Okay. So when that big G7 news conference broke and it pushed this weekly candle up, and I knew AUD news was gonna drop that night, I said, okay, the only thing AUD news, because it's not going back down, only thing AUD news is gonna do is spike it, may give it a retrace because it just broke. So then bam, that was confirmation from the weekly. Let me go back to my hourly. Sure enough, that AUD news gave all this, that red folder. It was just a retest. So it was going back and forth from the higher time frame, the weekly, and the hour. So I ate good off the buy, ate good off that sell, and then just chill. I took my behind to sleep, and I'm in the buy right now. I just took profits.
Go to that bag, man.
So when you just know structure, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Yeah, it might be unsure, because this probably what killed a lot of retail traders. It was showing sales, sales, sales. That's why I had that trend line. So I'm not going to trade this until it's clear. When it broke, that's when I knew. That's why, and when they said something, I was like, oh yeah, I forgot to take this trend line off, because now that I'm broke my trend line, so now it's following this trend line. So that's how I knew it was going to continue. And sure enough, bam. So like I said, I just took profits. Because now we're in another area where it's unclear. Are you going to keep buying or are you going to keep selling? I don't know. I'm not going to guess either. So if the setup not there, the setup, don't force it.
So what you do then?
So now I done took profits. I'm about to go take a shower, go give me something to eat.
Okay. That's right.
I just paid myself.
So bread so easy to get, man. You literally make
If it's not clear, I'm not gonna force it.
Exactly.
Yeah, don't force the trade. No, don't force the trade.
Yeah,
so now we in another unclear area. But when you look at the overall trend, like I said, I just showed y'all that weekly. We know it's gonna keep buying. So I can chill and let it retest this zone, this trend line, and keep eating, because now it's at a liquidity level. See what I'm saying? I just took profit off all that. I was asleep, all that, bam. So now I can chill and wait for it to consolidate right here and look for price action. See what I'm saying? Yeah, it's wicking, so let's see what this hour does, because really it technically broke. So break, retest. But you don't have to guess. Take the guessing game out. Just chill.
Okay.
Let the market come to you and give you the play.
Yeah.
But yeah,
pull up news and see what other red folder news is coming out. But other than that, I'm not going to. I'm sorry, Bone.
He said, pull up the AUD.
Go ahead. I was just saying, pull up that AUD USD.
Okay. But I just wanted to make sure everybody was good on that, in case she had any other questions. Did you see that weekly? It was confirmation. That's not going back down.
Oh, yeah. We know what we're looking for on that.
Okay.
Looking for the buy, y'all. So,
I'll keep choppy.
I'm gonna run the demo bit. Like
you choppy. I can't hear you.
I was saying, get them a number where they can start paying attention.
Oh, you want to mark up AU? All right.
I think that's your. Y'all can hear me good.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I can hear you now.
Yeah, go ahead.
You sounding like a robot.
Okay, yeah. Oh, my bad. Hold on, let me check something out. Yeah. She was trying to connect to the internet.
Let me mark up AU. So we start on. Let me see. Let me take a look at my monthlies. Let me see what we're looking at. I got my 50 and my 200. So we know whatever this is, if it's a sell or a buy, it's strong. I'm at 50, 200 EMAs, and that's it. So now let me see what we're looking like. Up and down, up and down, up and down. It really not no clear. It's a nice area, but we know we on the downtrend. So that's what the monthly is. I'm just gonna draw my monthly zones. So anything on month is strong. So if I go down to the hour and everything still line up, it's still strong. So I'm gonna start with the strongest possibility.
Remember I was showing you that last night though.
So let me see. I see something, a lot of touches right here. See 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot of touches here. So I'm gonna put a strong zone right there. And then I'm focused only where price at. Price is in this area. So I'm not looking up over here. I'm not looking all the way down here. Price is like right in this area. So I'm gonna look above and below it. So that's a strong area. And then this is strong area because I see a long wick here. See, look like head and shoulders here. So if it was to pull back, this is a strong zone. So bam, that's it. That's how I got my 2 lines for my monthly.
Okay.
Now let's just see what they're doing. And like I said, in case your eyes can't see, it's on a downtrend. So just in case. Don't skip nothing. So you see how I'm touching them wicks?
Mm-hmm.
I touched all those wicks up here. I'm not gonna try to force it and make it touch everything. No, it didn't make wicks right here. It made the first wicks right here. So now if anything, I would expect anything to hit my trend line. That's confirmation for sales.
Okay.
So that's 3 things I just put online and we still on the monthly. So now I'm just gonna take a look at the weekly, see what that candlestick, and we know candle patterns too. So it's important to study your chart. Damn, my GA's buying. But so I know we were talking about this because while we doing this, my damn GA still going. So this one I want to tell y'all. This confirmation is gonna keep buying.
Yes, sir. If y'all caught that play, hey man, enjoy free money.
See what I'm saying? It didn't just wick, it broke.
Mm.
So it's gonna break, retest, follow my trend line, and continue up. So that's confirmation is gonna keep buying. So I just wanted to tell you that. But I'm already out, already took profit, so I'm good. So go back to that weekly. Let's see what we did for this week. Nothing but sales. Because we on Thursday. It's highly unlikely this thing gonna reverse and go all the way up here and give you a long wick. We at the end of the week. So all you know is sales. If anything, it might touch this moving average, this EMA, for a retest. And like I said, it's still trying to force its way up to that trend line. I wouldn't trade this right now because it's not ready. I like how Tay put on his chart sometime, no trade zone. It's good discipline.
Right.
Don't be antsy to jump in a trade. That's a no trade zone. It's not, you want to buy low, sell high. So it ain't in a high place, it's not in a low place. It's in a no trade zone.
Okay.
I wouldn't trade that where it's at in the middle. I'm not saying you can't, you can go ahead, but I like clean pictures, I like low risk. See what I'm saying? When it hit that trend line, you know 100. Even if it hit one of your levels, you know it's either up or down. I'm not gonna hit something in the middle of my zone, something that's not on my zone, something that's not on my trend line.
Exactly.
You just
Hey,
need to read it.
hey, excuse me 1 second, Miranda. Hey, Tierra, if you still watching, what were you looking for on AUD? I mean, AUD, USD. Are you looking for sales, buyers, opportunities, or are you just trying to see what the chart look like for the setup? All right, go ahead, Miranda. I was just asking the YouTube viewer that.
Okay. So we got everything showing still downtrend, and I still haven't drawn any other lines. This stuff from the monthly. So if that's my line for my zones for the monthly, and they still are on the same, like, how do I put this? You want to have some targets for the monthly. You also want to have some daily targets. So I drew these on the monthly. My monthly targets are lining up with the weekly. Let's see if they line up with the daily. I still haven't drawn an additional line since we looked at the monthly. That's confirmation. These are strong areas. I don't even have to draw anything on the daily. At this point, you just need to look at the candlestick and see what the daily doing.
Okay.
The daily can respect that 200 EMA.
Okay. When it respects your EMA, that's just a retest, a pullback for to give you some ammunition to keep on buying.
Mm-hmm.
That's the 50 EMA. But yeah, man.
Let's see what do we got for the whole month. So we know for this week it was selling. So let's see what y'all can look for.
So that's sale opportunity all month, right?
That's like that whole thing want to sell for the month. At least touch this blue. It don't look like it's gonna touch that trend line until next month.
And it look like it's creating a morning star pattern, candlestick pattern. You see how you got the green, small, you got a small bullish candle over there, followed by the goddamn that dozy at the top right there. Right here in the what price is it, and then the two candles before it. Yeah, that's a chart. That's a candlestick pattern. The three candles right here.
See, I'm just looking at this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But it's on the monthly now.
Yeah, that's on the monthly. So that shit
Higher
can
high,
retest.
higher low, higher high, higher low. So it's saying this want to pull back all this month. It's not gonna go to that trend line until next month. So I
It'll
still
meet
be
up
looking
at
at
the
strong
top of the what price was that over here? What price closed over here at the top? Right there where the trend line lined up at. I mean, not the trend line, but the EMA. No, not over here. Right here where price is at, where price is going.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like put your crosshairs right there on the EMA. You see price, right there where you just had it at the end of the EMA.
I can't hear you. Say it again.
Put it back at the end of your blue EMA.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. All right. Now look to your left side. You see at the top of them candles right there where price they both met up and went back down. It could go back to there. Yeah, it could go back to there.
Yeah. This is where it's gonna retest.
Yeah, that's where it's gonna retest that right there.
Yeah, let me make it. I got what you're saying, Bone. Let me make it clear so people, when it's something small like this, I won't pull a full zone. I'll put a little small trend line.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know it's gonna retest. And you see what when we zoom out, what don't say nothing, Bone, because I know you know. What pattern is this? Trend line. I just drew this small minor. You see the triangle? It's stuck in this area.
Oh yeah, I see that clear.
We just said this just because we know it's gonna retest and come back here, but we also know it's not gonna break this trend line. So you see what I'm saying? It's squeezed in this triangle.
Is that a mall?
Is it what?
Oh, I guess not.
She talking about the chart pattern. Is it the MAAW? But nah, she ain't talking about that. She talking about that ain't what she talking about, Chef. She telling you to look at the trend lines that she put up and look inside that trend line. And
trend line, and then right here in this triangle is squeezing.
Yeah. So what you gonna get out of that triangle is basically it's like a wedge. It works into that wedge on the triangle, and then
You trying to look for a breakout?
Yeah. Why you echoing? What's going on with you?
I'm on two screens.
Oh yeah, mute one of them.
I thought
If you did mute one on, you gonna have
to turn it down.
Okay.
But that's monthly. So now let's be realistic about ain't nobody gonna sit here all month. Let's see what y'all can take the next day or two. Right, none but sales, baby. Nothing but sales. Let's see. I'll wait because you already missed all the sauce. Don't get in this right now. You're gonna be in hell of drawdown.
And then when your lines crossed over right there, it was confirmation too.
That was a good entry. That's a good entry. So if you ain't already in, you gotta wait for a pullback, retrace. You can get in. It's gonna be risky for the buy, but you're taking a hell of a risk because you in the middle. You in the middle of a downtrend. Number one, and number two, it always does 3 pushes. It like the market like do 3 pushes or 5 pushes. There's a 3 push divergence. They would say 1, 2, you want to come down for another 3. You see what I'm saying? You risking. If you ain't already in the sale, you might as well just chill.
1 second, Miranda. Tiara, are you already in the sale? Because she said she was looking for the sale, but she wasn't sure if it was going to continue down or push up. So I was asking when she continued. I mean, did she get in for the sale? But, if you're not in for the sale, like Miranda just said, you might as well just wait for a second, wait for the next setup.
Wait for a retest, or wait for some kind of confirmation that it's going to continue to sell or it's going to buy up.
Let me give you an example of what I mean with the 3 push. Is why you don't want to get in now. Cause I promise it's gonna keep pushing. So bam, this was it dropped back in April. This is like a month ago. So let me give you an example. Our YouTube watchers. I mean 3 push. It just dropped, right? Is this one? Yeah, I think it's it. It'll drop and then it'll consolidate.
Okay, check this out, Miranda. She said she caught the sales at 0.76141, and she was trying to see if she could keep holding it or not.
Okay, hold on.
Shit. From them EMAs crossing like that, they look like you keep holding. Just keep an eye on the pullbacks. Make sure your pullbacks are actually pullbacks and they're going to continue pushing down for the sales. You don't get no bullets engulfing from that pull on your pullback. You're going to keep selling.
So that's what I mean with 3 push. When something is selling or buying, it's usually going to do it in 3 ways. It's going to give you a big drop. It's going to consolidate a little bit, maybe a retest at that wick. Then it's going to keep doing this, continuing on down in this direction. Give you another big drop. Consolidate, retest to the wick, wherever it wicked at from the last drop. If this was the consolidation box, it's usually going to come up and retest, and this at the bottom of this. The structure, you just want to, before we move on to the next point, you want to touch and then keep going. Consolidate, then go down for a 3rd push. So that's why I say be careful.
Yeah.
You ain't already in the sale. So she said she in the sale, so now let's go to her position. You know, all this crap on her. She disappeared. All right, Bone. What's her number?
0.76141. $141.
76,141. That's what she had.
Yeah.
So she got in on this. As a matter of fact, let's make it blue. So it's clear. That's what she got in. Help the folks out. On my chart. Now we're gonna go all the way down here where price is. That's what she got in.
Yeah.
I mean, she got in good, so she should be seeing blue right now. She in profit.
Yeah, she in profit. She just trying to see if she could keep holding the trade or not.
Yeah, I would.
Mm-hmm. That's why I told her to keep an eye on the pullbacks. Make sure your pullbacks are just pullbacks, and the market gonna continue selling.
You probably got in that the second drop. Well, that's still the first because
she probably got in right when she seen it passing that consolidation zone.
Right, because this was one drop, 2 drops.
She said she said, I got a good position. I think I'm gonna just take my blue screens. Thank y'all. Thanks, y'all.
No, tell her, listen, tell her hold it. She got one more drop coming.
She said you got one more. Well, she can hear you. You know what I'm saying? But
Okay, so
I
let me
don't know
walk
if
it
she
through.
already closed. I don't know if she already closed, but we'll see in a second when she sent another comment.
Okay, so here it was consolidating. It gave this big Mariposa drop. It just did one push, consolidate, two push, consolidate, three push. As a matter of fact, let me give you points of where it's probably gonna go. Let's zoom out. Oh yeah, she good. See what I'm saying? This blue line, that's not even my week. That's her entry. So she good.
She probably had a certain amount of pips she was going for though.
That
If
she was
did
going for,
close.
right?
But hey man, our concept is, hey man, take the bread, not the red. So you know what I mean.
Yeah,
You
right.
took money, you closed in money. You know what I'm saying. You closed in profits before anybody even went to work that morning. So it ain't like there's something bad that you didn't hold this position.
No. So one drop, consolidate, two drops. This candle right here should continue pushing down. Consolidate. It's gonna consolidate. You see what I'm saying? Where's that now? It hasn't even wick here. It hasn't even wick here. Let me show in case y'all can't see what I see. So the candle that's on now, it still need to drop to this level.
Yeah.
So that's the second push. So you got 1, 2, consolidate, 3. It's gonna come down to like this level, this wick.
ATL, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the channel, and share it. Tell your friends you got on here, and we can help them out through there. You know what I'm saying?
So here are your different take profit areas you want to look at. Take profit around about 0.75, 35. Your second take profit about 0.7458.
Whole lot of pips right there. She got in at 76.
You know what I'm saying? This candle is still dropping. It's not gonna stop until this. That's why I told her, wait, hold it. Because it ain't even touch this zone. This candle gonna keep on dropping. Consolidate here. So she did good.
She ain't saying that back at ATL. You can got down holler at us. We can teach you that confidence to hold these things and look at that market where you ain't got to ask somebody, can I hold it? Can I hold it? Do I close it? Hit us up on the book or hit us in the email, break the code G. Yeah, goddamn. Break the code fx@gmail.com, or you could just hit us Funk DeVille or Forward Shopper on Facebook, and we probably put you in our Telegram. We got there teach y'all the confidence, you know what I'm saying, the market psychology to hold this shit. That's basically what we focus on when we get people to trade with us. It's more of the skill set than the bread. As long as you see the market and you know how that market works, can't psych your own mind out, and the market can't psych your mind out. But she ain't saying nothing else though.
All right, cool. If you have any questions, you hit me up on IG, Beauty Brains Businesses.
For sure. Say it again because I think I had made some noise.
In case you have any follow-up questions, hit me up on Instagram, Beauty Brains Businesses, plural. Beauty Brains Businesses. Big business minus the business suit.
She said, that's a bit. My friends need PMO to y'all channel. What's PMO? Oh, put me on. My friend Sneed put me on to y'all channel.
That's what's up.
Sneed. I heard that name before. She appreciate you, Sneed.
Now you good. The candle's still gonna push down.
Man, what y'all think GU gonna do?
Still hold GU, Jeff? Did you get in? Did you get in, GU? You echoing again too.
I'm just trying to see.
Hey, you still kind of echoing on one of your devices. Turn the audio off. You know what I'm saying?
What about now?
Yeah, you good now. All right, so you still looking for sales on GU? Oh yeah, man. Shit, that shit just pull them back. That shit, them bulls ain't strong. See, it didn't break that high, you know what I'm saying? If it break that high, then you can get in for that motherfucker. Plus, you still got 44 minutes left on this calendar. Tell you back, bro. No, I ain't back yet.
Because we talked about this like last week. We were talking about. We were like, "Oh, GU gonna have a long bye."
Yeah.
We got in on that in the prime in that sniper entry. See that trend line it broke?
Yep.
I forgot I had my trend line here. So yeah, it's retesting, it's selling.
Yep. But when that thing bounce back,
when that thing get right here, I'm jumping back in for that damn
I promise it. And I'm riding.
that shit.
Right.
I forgot it had broke our trend line like 2 weeks ago. We were talking about that.
Yep.
Broke the trend line. We need to wait for a retest. Gone.
That shit going to $2, man. I don't care what nobody say. That shit going to $2.
God, we talked about that. Good thing I'll keep my chart marked.
Facts. Got to keep them markups. They mean something later on in the future. I say it all the time. I quote Mark Twain. The past doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme. So you look in the past, you're going to see shit that look damn near the same as you looking at in current day, in present day. And that'll be 9 times out of 10 be the same, almost same shit you're looking at in the future.
Retest. Take off. When it hit not only this trend line, but this zone right here.
Yep. Everything's strong. That's so much confluence right there, man. Big buys. I'm waiting on the buys. I don't want the sales.
But y'all gotta wait and see what it's gonna do over because y'all see what it did right there on that level. It tried to buy up and then it reversed. So it gotta break. Yeah, it has to break that level.
Yeah, but see, that's why you got your trend line up there too. You know what I'm saying? That's what I was saying about confluence. So when it does get back into that level, 9 times out of 10, it'll break through because it already tried to break through there. And it has strength, then it can't, like, you're looking at that level, but you're not looking at everything in between. Like, everything in between tried to go back up to that level. You know what I'm saying? So it wouldn't get enough bullish power. So once it finally got bullish power at the bottom, at the support level down here, once it got that bullish power, that's when it pushed up. So now you got a brand new channel. You know what I'm saying? Like she just put up another trend line. Now you got a whole nother price channel. So once it came down there and bounced off this support, it went back and got some bullish momentum. So what it's doing right now, it came back into that zone. I don't think that zone is going to push the market back down far like it did over there. It's just going to push it down to the
You might retest. You see what I'm saying right here? How wick right here? I don't see no wick here on the right side. It's wick on the left, but no wick on the right. Same right here, wick on the left, but it hasn't wick yet on the right. So when it retests, it's very possible it could retest all the way down here. Wick, and then keep going for the buy.
If it do that, I think it'll just be a wick out.
That'd be like some news shit, like AUD did last night. It'll a long wick because of news, and it'll reverse.
Yeah. But looking at market condition, I still see buyers. You know what I'm saying? I don't see strong sales. I see short-term sales. They can. I mean, you can sell for at least goddamn maybe 50 to 100 more pips. But I see strong buy opportunities. So I'm not looking for sales. Got 40 minutes, 39 minutes left on this candle. What time is it? 8:20. We got 40 minutes left on this time, YouTube. Once again, we definitely appreciate y'all checking in with us, tapping in with us this morning. Make sure y'all catch us again next Tuesday through Thursday, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern time. We got 40 more minutes. We riding with y'all, man. So we might get y'all a play off of this GU. They can go and catch a sale, I guess. They won't, shit, because that shit going down there. If y'all ain't in for that sale, shit, they just missed the entry.
Remember I told y'all GA gonna keep buying?
Oh yeah, GA, you did call it GA.
I already done took profit, so I'm just gonna chill until I see another setup. But
That motherfucker got a nice week out right there.
I got a question.
Right, bro.
Once you take profit, you can get back in.
I wouldn't just take profit and just jump back in. If you want to, the best way to do that, what you're saying is to pop something like a 0.02. You take profit and let the rest ride. Bring your stop loss to entry to break even, and let the rest ride. That way you already paid yourself. You know what I'm saying? Whatever your initial investment was, or you paid yourself something to goddamn say for like 20 pips or something like that, and you letting the rest ride. You got your stop loss at entry, so you got a risk-free trade. If it come and hit your stop loss, you don't lose no money.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because what'll happen is if you take full profit and then just jump right in, the market might reverse. You know what I'm saying? Or you might have a bad entry, so you got to deal with a whole lot of drawdown. You don't want to deal with drawdown. We try to get it to where when you enter the market, you're dealing with minimum to no drawdown. You know what I'm saying? You ain't seeing a whole lot of negative numbers.
I know you said something about partial pay yesterday.
Yeah, we were trying to close partial on that trade I had too.
Right.
Yeah. So the way to close a partial trade, it got to be a 0.02. You know what I'm saying, or better. Because if it's a 0.01, you can't do nothing but just close that straight out. Okay. You know what I'm saying? But see, this just in forex world though. Like I said, the options trading is totally different. Only thing you want to pay attention to in the forex world as you learn the options is how to mark up these charts and use your Fibonacci retracement tool.
Right.
You're gonna take that same knowledge to the options trade.
All right.
But see, like I said, the reason we trade forex is because you make money right then, right there. You know what I'm saying? Like Miranda just told you, man. She popped the buy. She went to sleep. She woke up, paid herself. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, she went to sleep and the money working for her and making money. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, man. Making money while you sleep. Come on now.
Like sleep. You feel me?
Exactly.
That's why we trade.
In the beginning, it was not like that. In the beginning, I was scared. There were times where I was watching the chart. I was unsure, unconfident. I fall asleep, blew the goddamn account.
Right.
Yeah.
Last night I went to sleep on purpose with confidence because I knew what I marked on my chart. I knew what to expect. I wasn't chasing the market. I was waiting for the market to come to me. It hit my point. Bam, I'm going to sleep.
Okay.
Real talk, man. I've been holding Bitcoin since Sunday. You think about how many days I've been asleep and this shit still in profit.
Okay.
See, hey man, I told you, but once you get your confidence up, my boy, like for real, man, this shit, it's gonna be a piece of cake.
Okay. Sometimes I like to jump out there and see how I feel.
That's okay. It's gonna sting. The first 3 times you blow that account.
It's gonna sting.
Yeah, you might get some.
You're gonna be mad at the whole world when you blow the first couple accounts.
I promise you. I told you, bro, when I first jumped in, just pressing button, I lost 600.
Yeah.
that I couldn't afford to lose, nigga. Man, I'm like, man, bro, what the fuck is you doing? Don't touch that shit no more.
Come
Ever.
on, man. Bro said
Nobody
no.
talk to me until I get this. Don't nobody talk to me.
You feel me? Hey man, that's why I'm inactive out here, man. Y'all don't see me out in the street, bro. I'm on this right here every single day, all day.
You're doing the
Learning.
right thing, boy. I promise.
Yeah. Get the hell out of the way, stay out the way. Because I know this is the way to make the way.
Man. Hey, I told you I got me some new friends, man. New kick it
So,
buddies.
I told you, bro, we got you, man. As long as you just keep showing that goddamn dedication to learning this shit, yeah, we got you, bro.
Okay.
Shit, I wish Jericho was on here. We got one person that can give us a testimonial. That can give y'all a testimonial since she been trading with us, you know what I'm saying? Like she tell us all the time. She done took like, I think she probably try to learn from like 3 different sources or something like that. But said this like the best one that she ever learned from, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
We help her take a very, very, very small account up to another nice size where she could goddamn withdraw, put more money in and keep on making bread, you know what I'm saying?
Right. It's like a hands-on.
Hey, you back? So he came back or he left?
I don't think he back yet. Not yet.
They said he done for the week.
My boy said he done for the whole week.
Share your screen. I'm about to jump off here.
Thursday. Chelsea gonna have to do it. I'm on the damn phone. My shit gonna be looking crazy.
I mean, I'm on a tablet, but it look better than the phone.
Yeah, I sure do.
Can I? Oh, he gotta get permission.
Miranda, you gotta make her the host.
I got you.
Which one you using, Chelsea? Web token or CDAW?
CDAW.
You should have it now.
No, you asking me to control your screen.
Oh, shit.
Go to her name in the participants and go to CDAW and it should say make host. Yeah, you good now, Chelsea.
You should have it.
Oh shit.
The GU. Yeah, of course it's GU. What I'm talking about?
Right. I see it. It's pretty. Support resistance. All gotta mark the wall. These reversals are happening.
You already in for the sale?
I'm waiting for it to see what it's gonna do on that line at 139,655. Because I needed to do something for me to take a move. Either it's gonna close above that and I'm hopping for the buy, or it's gonna bounce right off of retest and I'm gonna just take the sale.
Sure.
But where is my stuff? I forgot on this tablet you can't do much. I'm looking for my path button. I can't even do it on here.
Oh, no, ain't no path on the tablet. Well, no, it should be. I think I got tab on. Yeah, I got the path on my tablet, but I ain't got it. I'm finna join the goddamn call on my laptop. So I got.
But basically, like, I just have it going off of the support and the resistance, where the market is turning around at. So I wish I had a cursor or something. This is how I see the market. Okay. So like right here, like you can see it was consolidating, and then when it comes to this area, it's either gonna go up or it's gonna go down. You see it came down right here. And it went back up into this zone. You see it wasn't trying to go above this level or break any of this. You knew it was gonna sell because it was consolidating right here for a long time yesterday. And then around, I think we said 2 o'clock, that's when this happened in like 3 minutes. All of this. 3 minutes. And usually, right. And usually, like, if I'm gonna catch a sale, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wait for it to break this line right here. But that jump was moving so fast, I had caught it from up here because I already knew it wasn't gonna go up. That jump was rejecting, just it wasn't trying to push, it wasn't trying to go nowhere. So I think I entered like right here on this little candle right here, over here. And I held it. And the next thing you know, it just jump in 3 minutes. But usually I will wait till it break this to hop in. And I know whoever was watching it was probably trying to pop sales and couldn't because that jump was happening so fast. That shit happened so fast. But then if you missed that entry, you could have waited till it got right here, retested, and that would have been another entry, caught you another 80 pips. Just all about retests, breaking the zones, seeing where the market reverse is at. So like right here, this is why I have a line right here, because you can see like this is an area too. When it breaks out, a false breakout happens on this zone. If it doesn't break this zone right here with this line, it's gonna go back up into the opposite direction. Or if it does break this line, you see it's gonna go down and sell back down to this zone. It's all about market structure. You gotta see what it's gonna give you. Like right here, I loved it when it was doing all this right here in this area. It was so easy. If it wasn't breaking that, it's gonna go back up to this area. If it wasn't breaking that, it was gonna sell back down to this area. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Going back up to this.
We got USD news just dropped.
Oh,
jobless
claims.
Look at it.
What you look that up on, bro?
What's up?
What you looked that up on?
My FX book. It's an app called My FX book.
My jump freezing up.
It say worse than expected. The previous number was 376. Consensus is 359. The actual number is 412. A larger than expected number indicates weakness in the market, which influences the strength and direction of the U.S. economy. Generally speaking, a decreasing number should be taken as positive or bullish. So we got bullish movements on the USD. Let me see what GU doing. GU should sell some more then. The bitch might push down strong. For these news.
But GU, it looked like it don't want to go back down. So
yeah, it look like it. It look like it gonna bound on up.
Mm-hmm.
You're looking at a 1 hour time frame too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I usually look on the 1 hour anyway. But this is how I trade, with just support and resistance to tell which way the market is gonna go. I did have my EMAs and stuff like that on here, but I don't know what happened. But just those points of reversals, like they help a lot. If you can see those in the market, then you straight. Like right here, this area, this zone right here, you can see it's a lot of reversals happening right here. A lot of reversals. Like the market comes here, it's gonna go back up, and comes back here to the area, it's gonna go up, go up, go up. Went up. Came right here on this side, it reversed, went down. It's just structure. And I got this zone right here, where it's at right now, from over here. You can see right here. It's a respected zone.
All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all this afternoon. Y'all gonna do review tonight?
Probably so.
All right, I'll look for y'all in the chat room.
All right, good.
All right, be blessed.
All right. Who the ones that came in?
I don't even know.
That you take? Gotta be taken. That's the only other name up there. But yeah,
Let me see. We could look at. Ooh, Lord. Okay, we go. Ooh, this jump bottle so good. This is the pound CHF Swiss franc. Look like it want to sell. All them rejections up there. Right there. You got this big old bearish candle. Try to come back up, reject it, reject it. If it sells, it's gonna come back down here. That would be my take profit 1. This first line would be my take profit 1 for breaks. Retest. This would be my take profit 2. And if it comes all the way down here, that would be my take profit 3.
so GBP fresh. GBP CHF.
Mm-hmm. Bitcoin. I don't think that's the right one I look at though. Gold. Oh wow.
Pushing down like crazy.
It rejected though.
We couldn't get a reversal in this zone right here though. Just keeping an eye on it because of the left side, pretty strong right there.
Yep. Comparing down to this level. Put the line right there because on this side over here, you can see it kind of bounce off of there right there. Over here, it's just to respect the level. Right here is touching it. So you can see if it don't come down to that point, you know it's gonna go in the opposite direction. But it was pulling back, but now it's trying to fill it out, it looked like.
Ruthless and deeply eccentric, which doesn't make him my favorite guy in terms of fashion, actually.
You know, this y'all stuff, I ain't even marked it up. Scared.
What that is?
US 30.
Oh, you at 30. Shit, I could share my screen out of.
Go ahead.
You gonna have to make me the host. Hold on, let me see which one I am. I could just claim the host. You good? Okay, we got a couple of break the codes up there. And I gotta do this.
This is quite eccentric, which makes him more hateful.
What was it like preparing? You said you weren't estimating because of your acting, your look kind of at the same time, and you're playing obviously off of some incredible actors who are delivering some very funny lines. What was it like preparing for it and then actually being a part of this cast for the movie?
Just to do it. You know, the feelings that you have sometimes.
I can see my screen.
To do a little bit more than is necessary.
Yeah.
Pull up the US 30 right quick, man. Yeah, that shit's silly. So what's going on? Got US 30 came from the goddamn big drop right here after that consolidation. So we dropped down, came to this goddamn level right here, respected and pushed up. A lot of people thought they were gonna get in for the buys. So what happened right there, that long week, that's a stop hunt. So it stopped hunting high, came back down, closed below and kept selling. It came down here and respected this zone. You know what I'm saying? You can see it's still respecting this zone. And as it's respecting this zone, it's wicking out higher. You got a wick out right here low. You got a wick out right here higher. So that's a higher wick out right here. So what I'm expecting is this motherfucker to give me another little loop, probably up in the hill. You know what I'm saying? Once we get up in here, we can go and continue pushing up. That's on a 1 hour time frame. I don't really trade the 1 hour time frame. I catch my interest on that. I trade the 5 hour. 5 hours showing me that they want to goddamn push up too. You know what I'm saying? It came down here, respected this area twice. Respect it. And then 3 times, respected again right here. So once they respected again on this red candle and started pushing back up, I would have entered the trade then. So what happened, it closed, came over here, pushed down right back to my entry and started pushing back up blue. So I'll still be in profit because I hopped in off of this candle. So I'm still expecting buys off US 30. So we can go down here to this 15 minutes so y'all can get yourself an entry right fast. You know what I'm saying? See what kind of setup we got right here. All right. So we got a high. That's higher. That's higher. That lined up. So line that up right there. It never broke that. Came back up. Give me a shooting star candle. We got 1 minute. So if this end up just like this, that's a shooting star. I'm expecting the next candle to got down, open up blue and push up to got down, close above that. And if it do, I need it to got down, come up and break this here to continue going up. That's on the 15 minute. So this candle right here has to come up and break this high. You can see it came to that high, right lined up with it, you know what I'm saying? But it didn't break it. You put it at that horizontal line right there. So y'all see what I'm talking about? Right there.
Mm-hmm.
See how price ain't never break that high? It came up to it, but it didn't break it. So since it didn't break that high, it ain't get a chance to go break this high. But we still got like 38 seconds. This US 30, you could got a lot can happen in 30 seconds. So you wait for the setup, see what it's gonna give you. Still waiting for it to break that little high right there. If it break that high, we good. If it don't break that high, we wait for the next candle to see what the next candle gonna give us. We got a next candle. It opened up red, so that means it's gonna push up blue and close above this high. It's gonna break both of those highs at the same time and push on up, so you can catch buys from here. Like literally right now, end of the trade, catch that motherfucker all the way up to at least. Boom, you catch it at 33.9, 83.40, put your stop loss at that low. Stop loss will be below this low. For there's too many pips. The 30 pips, you want to bet 30 pips. You want to keep your reward, your risk low. So we got a 1-to-7 ratio. That's all right. To get a smaller risk to reward ratio, we can just bring the TP down. So we got a 1.3, 1-to-3 risk to reward. So we're going for get back on 1-to-3. So we're going for 40 pips. And if you're in the trade, hey man, you already in profit. And then you got to take it back to the higher time frame and see where you can go with it. Because you could probably get more pips from that. So, we in the trade already. Matter of fact, let me bring that over so everybody can see our position. All right. So we in the trade already. And we in profit, right? Doing good. We break this high, which is on a lower time frame, we good. But since we're on a higher time frame now, we got a higher place to go to break another high. So we're going to break that high, which means our TP can be right here to that zone. We can keep it at that zone. You know what I'm saying? So the trade's still doing good. We just keep an eye on that motherfucker. If you caught the trade in US 30 YouTube, you are in profit right now. If you didn't catch the trade, you're gonna have to catch us next week. So we about to sign off in like 13 minutes. Yeah, man, that's a nice setup right there. It's definitely going right here for TP. We should get some strength in the market in a minute. We just broke another high, still pushing hard, pushing strong. Once we break the dotted line, you know what I'm saying? That's the high of yesterday. So once we break the high of yesterday, we're going to create a new high for the day, which will be done in a couple of minutes, maybe a couple of seconds. We're gonna go ahead and break that high. Then we're gonna go on and break that this high over here at 33,990. Once we break 33,990, we definitely good to keep pushing up. Let me check it out. Let's see what we're looking like on the daily. Mm-hmm. So what we want to happen is, now this is the possibility of what's going on. See, on the daily, I got it out there. I seen the triangle that happened. You know what I'm saying? Price came in and respected. Showed me that it wasn't going up there. Came back down and fell through. Boom. What usually happens is you get a retake back to that shit or somewhere in that area and it continue down. But since this is US 30 and this is an indice and we are down on the uptrend in this market, what I do now, I go to the weekly and the monthly. Check that out. All right, so the weekly showing me that we still on the strong uptrend. Tell you back, bro.
Yep.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, we just called US 30 buys. You see, we still on a strong uptrend. We already got that consolidated, you know what I'm saying? So since we just caught that buy, 9 times out of 10, we're gonna push past on up and go create our new high. So we go back to the 1 hour where we can watch our position. And this TP1 right here, 3398.3. TP2 will be 340. So well, now I give you TP2 right there, 340.22 or 340.22.90. TP3 340 or 34.75.90. So TP1 is 33.983.90. TP2 is 34.022.90. And TP3 is 34.075.90. Anything beyond that, the market gonna keep on pushing that shit. If you got to strengthen your mentality, you can keep holding it. If not, it is US 30. Come in, get your bread, get the hell on. TP1 about to be smashed real soon. I think I got a trade running down here too, bro. Yeah, I got one trade running in profit down here with it. Bitcoin. Got that Bitcoin running in profit. Shit easy, man.
Okay.
Look at that GU.
GU.
Mm-hmm. This is important. It's important why you should wait on confirmation.
That was the entry. I told y'all this shit was gonna sell when that news came out though, remember? I said it's gonna sell because of that news.
Yep.
Yes, sir, my boy. Hey man, I learned from Tay taught me that. Shit. Tay taught me that. You see that shit that broke that low right there, Chelsea?
Yep.
Hey,
happening.
Big sales. Big sales, man. Yeah, man. Hey man, good teacher, man. Good teacher, bro.
Hey.
Good teacher, real shit.
But I think buys are definitely coming though. Buys are definitely coming.
Mm-hmm. Let me see what you say. Let me see what you got over here. You said you think buys are coming. Let me check the 5-hour time frame. Okay. All right. So it's the same thing over here. I got another ascending triangle. You know what I'm saying? Price went up there, showed me it wasn't going up there. You know what I'm saying? Came down to this liquidity level. This is the real liquidity level right here. So we can still sell to at least right up in this zone from here to here. You know what I'm saying?
Yo,
but yeah, buys won't come. What's up, bro?
Man, we got 5 minutes left, man, on YouTube Live, man. And I just I want to end with saying this, bro. And as soon as I get done talking, man, end the YouTube, bro.
All right.
I had to throw you to the wolves, man.
Who, me?
Yes, sir, Ski.
Oh, you trying to see? Oh, yeah, I see you.
Threw you to the wolves, man, and you held it the fuck down, man.
Oh, man.
my boy, hey, I said, look, we all about teaching confidence over here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And the only way to do that is give you the flow. You feel? Disappear.
Right.
You gonna hey man, that nigga head down Brady Cole, y'all. Hey, for real, hey. Snipe the video, but I fuck with you, man. That's real shit. And you call you at 30 live on the chart. I fuck with you, man. Like, hey, got to build your confidence up, man, and calling these trades and shit with me, man.
Yeah, man.
You passed the goddamn test on that one, my boy.
I've been saying that shit. I've been nervous as hell, YouTube.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why y'all ain't been hearing me. I'm new to trading, man. So I ain't
Instead of asking him, I'm gonna make him. You know what I'm saying? That's how you build the confidence up. Disappeared on him.
Hey, you heard me?
I heard the whole time. I heard the whole time. They take you back. I heard you the whole time, bro.
Yeah, said a couple times.
Hey, nervous as hell over here. Hey, man, fuck
Yeah.
this shit. He ain't came back yet. Let me get this shit right.
Yeah, you got to keep it going, though. The show must go on. And you had it down, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to end with that, man. You know what I'm saying? So, hey,
break the code, man. Appreciate
that's real
it,
shit, man. Break the code, Forex Trapper.
Funk the Villas, aka Snipe the Ville, man.
And we out. Love y'all.
Yeah, Bon, you did that now.
Yes, sir, Ski. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I heard he was freezing up a little bit, but he was like, hey, Tay.
Yeah, no. Swim, nigga, swim.
Okay.
Swim, nigga, swim.
Bon, okay.
Swim.
He over here teaching me something. Shit.
I said, yeah, I got him.